Hi, welcome back to FBTV Entertainment. I'm Dave Pippin, and this is another model kit review. AMT 125 scale. And this is a 1953 Ford Victoria hardtop. And this model car is absolutely amazing. And reason it is amazing, because everything fits perfectly, and I do recommend it to any modelers out there. So let's start to the front, make way to the back of the car, and here we go. I do believe it's a lovely chrome bumper. The indicators, the yellow ones are there, and that the round headlights is fantastic. It's amazing. The hood is absolutely great. The hubcaps and the round white circle is easy to push in, and that you don't have to glue it. You just push it right in. And that, so sometimes of these model kits you have to glue for white round white wall into the tyre, and also glue for silver hubcap, and that. So this one you don't have to glue, you just push it right in, and that. And I do believe this is lovely chrome strip along for bodywork of the car, and you have to cut it out, sharpen it, and glue it into place. And I believe that there's a lovely side mirrors, both ends, and that. There's a lovely door handle, and also another silver bit on the wheel arches. Absolutely amazing car, and it's quite shiny and pretty one. So we are at the back of the car now, and I do believe the back is absolutely amazing. Lovely chrome bumper there, and that, and indicators are done on yellow, exact same as the front of the car. For round headlights, you just put them into place. You can glue them in, but I already glued them in. There's a spare wheel. You don't have to glue that into place. There's a number plate. Haven't put decals on the number plate yet, because I'm still sorting out other cars as well. And that, but I do believe this car is not roadworthy yet, because I need to put the license on. And that. So for a spare wheel, you don't have to glue it in. You just have to pop it off, or wiggle it a bit. There you go. Just wiggle it. You can see the lovely badge logo, a Ford, nice chrome handle. You flip the hood up. Absolutely amazing. This is a real thing. You just glue this bit together, and that. You can see the black seam line, and that, so you don't have to glue it. How to fit it on there with no glue, you just put this on there, and the number plate, it's got these little two black holes there. You just push it in, glue it, and wiggle a bit, so whenever you doing your other cars model kits, or have a small break, you can flip it up, keep it like that for a couple days or a couple months, and put it back on, and that. So I think it's a great detail to do not glue, and that. So we can go other side of the car now. The second same, like for other side, there's a lovely wind mirror from, and that, and also we're going to have a look at interior as well. There's the interior. I've done it like bluish and bluish greyish as well. And you can see the dashboard with blue and light bluish steering wheel with a black detail on right there. Black. There's a black speed dials and that. Silver window wipers. I mean, not window wipers. Window winders and that. You can see some more. You can see some more paint job and that. So yeah, so that's absolutely amazing. Before, for windows, it's easy fit on this model kit, and also for front screen as well. It's easy fit as well. So for engine work, I've done super detailed, and that with a gearbox, I done it green and black, and there's lovely horns there, like there, with next to this filter or something, and there's another pipe work there and more pipes, and that. Sometimes I don't do for much of it details on the engines on model cars, because when you put the hood up on there, you don't see it. Lately I have been doing some engine work on it, on my model cars, to see it. And like I said, on for wheel and that, you don't have to glue the hood down. You just put it on one side and put it in your glass cabinet, and that, keep it like that to see the engine. And some days you can put the hood back on, so there's no problem. For colour scheme, what I've done is nice bluish and also nice green bluish colour on the roof and wheel arch, and also for spare wheel, what I just showed you just now, and also done it inside the car as well. So it's an amazing kit. For interior tub and for chassis, fits perfectly. I cannot believe this is one of my fittest car in my career by building these model kits. Absolutely incredible. And I'm going to show you the artwork on this model kit as well, on the box for packaging. There's the packaging of a box, and that is absolutely amazing art, and I really enjoy it. Some of these Fords, 1953 Ford Victoria, they're supposed to be mint green with white roof, but I didn't done it. I done it blue. But I do recommend this kit to anyone, like I just said earlier on, and it includes Coca-Cola machine as well, with this lady, and that, so you can glue this and put decals on there, Coca-Cola decals, and that. I haven't got it with me by hand, and that's, but yeah, so it's absolutely amazing kit, and I do believe this artwork is absolutely amazing. And I reckon she came back from a beach party, went to a gas station, get some gas for a Ford 53, and saw this Coca-Cola machine, have a nice drink, and drive back home. I think she came back from the beach party. You can see these banks, sandy banks or desert or anywhere. It's absolutely amazing artwork. I've never seen any model kits with a better artwork like this. She came back from a beach party. That's what I think. Or she's going to a beach party and got herself a drink and drive down to California. So absolutely amazing. So will I buy another kit of this? I say definitely Yes, I would. With a different colour scheme and that. So yeah, so hope you enjoy this video. Press a like and subscribe to my channel for more future releases. There's another video coming up with another Ford yellow and grey 1956 one coming out very soon, and also for another Ford model car from AMT and that 57 one. And these two ones are really vintage ones. You can get them in model style and that. So hopefully you enjoy this one and buy it and that. So thank you for watching. I'm Dave Pippin, and it's goodbye from me and goodbye from FB TV Entertainment.